Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the Viktos Sereous jacket, or Sereous, as Sereous. This is a cool jacket. They sent it to me a while back, and I have been wearing it when the weather is nice. Because it's not a really heavy duty jacket, and it's not designed to be. And you know, the thing is it's basically a jacket that is good for like spring and summer and fall. It's kind of a 3-season jacket. It's not extraordinarily thick, and here in Cheyenne, you know, this time of year, it's pretty cold and pretty windy. But on nicer days, I wear this thing out, and I do like it. For one reason in particular, and that is that it's cut long enough to cover my concealed carry gun. A lot of lighter weight, smaller jackets don't really, you know, have a great cut for hiding a gun with the outside the waistband holster. This one does a really good job of that. So let me go through and show you some of this stuff. I'll roll in some footage as I'm talking of me wearing it and stuff like that outside. It's a nice jacket. Fits pretty well as far as sizing. The only thing I would recommend to the manufacturer is that the sleeves may be just about a ½ inch long. You know, and that's just maybe I just got short arms. I don't know, but for me, that's what it was. They've got reinforced elbows with an artificial kind of suede, and then it almost seems like that it's almost like a nylon kind of material as well that's reinforced right in here. They've got really good pockets, and get my gloves out of there. They're like the weatherproof style zippers. Not sure if you can see that or not, but they're kind of those rubberized or rubber seamed kind of zippers. You also have this access point here where you can open it up on the side to be able to get access to a firearm, and I think that's pretty cool as well. You can zip it down or up either way you want. The top zipper does have a little bit of a lanyard on it. The bottom one doesn't. On the inside, you've got. Let me get I got my hat in this pocket. On the inside, you have some pretty deep cargo pockets, and they got the Gadsden flag rattlesnake in there, which is, you know, pretty cool. And these pockets are big, you know. I mean, you can fit your whole hand down in there, and it's a pretty good sized pocket. Again, on the other side, pretty much the same as what I showed you on the last one. It fits nice and roomy. It's not a real tight fit or tight cut. It does have a hood on the jacket, and on the back of the hood you've got an adjustment where you can, you know, make it cinch in tight if you want, or you can allow it to be a little bit looser. I particularly like it, you know, looser. And let's see here. That is, oh, as far as the other main zipper goes here too, the front zipper is you know, fairly easy to operate, pretty smooth. It'll zip all the way up to the top. You've also got these little adjustments here for tightening, you know, the hood and all that kind of stuff. So pretty cool jacket. Like I said, it's a 3-season kind of jacket, you know, for cooler weather and that kind of stuff, or for you know, more warmer weather, I should say. And it has a waterproof coating on it, and so it sheds water pretty good, but it kind of lets the air through, and that's one of the things that I actually like about it, because in the summertime it's hard to find a good concealed carry jacket, and because it gets too hot, you know what I mean? Like, you just don't want to wear an additional jacket or anything like that. And this is a fairly thin coat, and it'll kind of let the breeze through. It's not a really strong windbreaker. But that actually to me is a positive, because like I said, I carry pretty much everywhere I go, and when it gets hot out, it's not great to have a really thick and heavy coat on, you know. It's nice to have something that will hang low enough to cover your weapon, but yet still kind of let some of that breeze through and stuff. And that's what this thing does, you know. It does a pretty good job of that. The other thing is on the sleeves, it does have these little thumb holes. If you like that, it's got that on there. I don't particularly use those, but they are there for those who like them. So this is a pretty cool jacket. Like I said, I haven't had a chance to wear it a ton out yet because it's just been too cold. This is like a spring and summer kind of jacket, you know. But it definitely works well at covering up your pistol, and that was primarily what I was looking for in it, because it's just hard to find good stuff to do that it won't heat you out, you know, won't make you too where you're sweating and all that kind of stuff, you know, to cover up your weapon. So pretty cool option. Definitely go over, and if you haven't already checked out their site, check out Viktos.com. They got a whole selection full of gear there. They've got shoes, they've got gloves, the war-torn gloves. I've still got those. If you guys remember that video from there, they're still working out great. I was using them all through, you know, building the chicken coop. They're doing wonderful, still going strong, still no holes in them. And then, yeah, they've got just a whole line of stuff of outerwear and all kinds of, you know, clothing for active outdoor lifestyle people, you know. So check them out. And they're also a veteran company, and so I always like to support veterans when I can. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it for now. As always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.